Two trackmaster diesel engines, both don't work. So I put both on a power supply, contacts here and here, 3 volts, 500 milliamps, no power, same on each. This one's looking pretty good, contacts look okay. This one, contacts have leaked, or the batteries have leaked and the contacts are a little bit corroded, but I poked right at the back here where the contacts makes contact to the, or go down to the rest of the circuitry, and it still doesn't run, so we have to take them apart and see what's what. 3 tri-ring screws removed using that bit. It's a tri bit. Oh, come on, get your contrast and focus right. No, well, you can see it anyway. So then 3 screws removed, and then hopefully, oh dear, it's all come off. We're in. Well, there's not much inside it, is there? So you've got a basic 3 volt DC motor and a worm drive to this clutch gear mechanism. So that comes out, it's not held in by anything. You've got the rear wheels with like a sprocket or spring loaded sprocket, so you can force the wheels round without damaging the worm drive, which is quite clever. So a child can push this along without causing this to strip. And then the motor contacts are literally just there in the top case. So then metal plates just touch on top of the motor contacts. So what we'll do, get our 3 volts and see if the motor spins. 3 volts applied and the motor spins. So the motor's good, so it must be the contacts. So all I've done to try and fix this is just bend these little contacts up a little bit, just to see if that makes better connection onto the metal strips on this. So I'll stick this back together and again see if it works now. And 3 volts applied and the back wheels are spinning. So yeah, that's all you need to do, just bend the contacts up. So that's an easy fix. I'll see if the other one's the same. So that motor's running. This was a bit different. The motor was actually seized a bit, so I had to actually spin it bit by hand. Once I did that, it started running. So we'll put it back together again, and that one should be fixed as well. And there you go. The other one is now working. So that's 2 repaired trains, Trackmaster diesels. So there you go. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.